last question. What is your dream job with it?
Oh gosh, I don't know. Everyone asks me that. My name is Maya. I'm majoring in design arts and practices, and I'm from Tucson, Arizona. I was drawn to the University of Arizona because being from Tucson, the U of A has kind of always been a part of my life. I just wanted to stay close to my family who is here, so I could have that support system through college. I got into graphic design through a program at my high school, and that program led me to want to pursue design in the future. One really cool thing that I've gotten to work on while I've been here has been animations. So usually my process, I start by listing out ideas, and then once I decide on an idea, I create a storyboard, and from there I go onto the computer to create the illustrations and then animate them how I was imagining it. I came up with the idea, me and my boss were brainstorming different ideas, and he was like, what if the cactus take a photo? And from there, I took that idea and I was like, okay, what if they like all clump together and take a selfie? Then I was like, what if they roll in and jump and roll like a little cactus since they're real cactus? And it was a lot of fun, like playing with the different variations and how to make it like visually exciting. Having my work shown is kind of insane. It's like, oh, I made that. Like, that's so cool.